Look at my mug. I made this. Or like I painted it. It's cute, I know. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie, and if you're new, my name is Natalie. Why do I always screw this up? Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie, and today we're gonna be doing DIY candles. I haven't done a DIY video in such a long time, and I just really wanted to do this. Also, making candles is like one of the most relaxing activities that I can do for some reason. I know it sounds kind of weird, but like, I don't know. Also, I know that people usually do this activity at the start of winter, not the end, but that's not gonna stop me from making candles. Also, because it's the end of winter, I have so many candles left over, literally the whole box, that have just like a little bit of wax left, and I just don't want to throw them out because I'm trying to be a sustainable queen, okay? So yeah, we're gonna melt all of these old candles down, make them into new candles. I've been collecting so many of these cute little jars for my candles, so we're gonna put them into these. And I also went today and bought some wicks, which was such a mission. Like, I did not know that this was gonna be so hard to get some candle wicks. I thought that I could get it at like my usual stationery store, and I ended up going across the town because like they didn't have it anywhere, to a fabric store where they still didn't have these wicks, which I wanted because they're easier to work with. So I had to buy this like, you know, a long piece of wicks, and then I had to buy like these things on their own. So we're gonna have to like put these together. Oh, and I almost forgot about this. My friend actually gave me a cute little lavender essential oil, so I think I'm gonna use this as well and like dump it all in there so that they have like a nice aroma. I don't know. Hi, welcome to my stove. So I have this pot, which I shouldn't be using because it's like very expensive, and I know that I'm gonna get wax all over it, but I can't find my candle pot anywhere. So don't tell my mom. I'm gonna bring this to a boil and we're gonna wait. Also, this is your sign to make some candles, bitch, because it's very relaxing. I had a little accident. I put way too much water into the pot, but whatever, I'm like scooping it out. As you can see, I'm not really a professional in anything. I just, yeah, it's okay though. I'm all set, so let's do this. Okay, so I tried it on the first one, and it's actually so much more easier than I thought. So basically what I do is I just take a jar, then I take the rope of the wick, and I just feed it through this little metal thing, and then I kind of like take it, I measure how long I need the wick to be, then I just cut it right like under the metal thing, and then I take my hot glue, I put like a tiny little pinch of it there, and then I just stick it to the bottom of the jar. See, I have no idea if this is the right way to do it, but like I'm too lazy to Google it, and it seems to be working, so. Okay, so I've moved everything to the table. Also, I like dumped almost all of the essential oils into the wax. Don't know if that's okay or not. I don't know, we'll see. I think I'm done. This is actually pretty fast, and also the wax worked out like perfectly. Like, I still have a little bit left over, but that's just because once the candles will dry, there will be like a tiny little crease around the wick, and that's just because the wax kind of like evaporates when it dries. I cannot explain things, but you will see what will happen once they will be dry. So then I will go back, melt the rest of the wax, and I'm gonna pour a little bit more over, and then we'll be finally done. But yeah, right now we have to wait till these dry. Here's all of them. I think they look super cute. I also really love the colors, like the light blue. This one is the worst one, but it's okay because the glass is not clear, so it's okay. But yeah, these are all of them. Hey! Okay, so it's been about 3 days since that last clip you saw. Look at all of these babies. I finished the candles. However, I did not film the part where I was refilling the wax because it was just a very busy weekend, okay? What can I say? But yeah, I'm very satisfied with how many candles we made. Also, they smell really nice. I already lit this one candle yesterday and it smelled like lavender, so I would definitely suggest using the tea tree oils because it's really nicer. I know that this video was definitely something a little bit different than from the other stuff that I put out on my channel, but sometimes it's just nice to relax and, you know, make a video that you really want to make instead of making like some trendy stuff that you don't want to really make. Wow, I am making so much sense today. Also, I grew up watching DIY videos on YouTube. That's literally how I learned my English, so I don't know, it was just like a nice way to relax and look back and reflect. I'm trying to say that I had a fun time, so if you did too, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, my TikTok. Also, if you stayed till this part of the video, make sure to comment the little cloud emoji so that I know that you're a real one. And I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!